In this video, we show how to install the Bell Fibe TV app on the Google TV streamer. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input. If you don't see the Google TV streamer home screen, using your television remote, press the input or source button. Use it to select the correct HDMI input, and you're ready to begin. Next, let's confirm the streamer is connected to the internet. Using the Google remote, from the home screen, navigate to the Quick Settings menu, then to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi toggle should be blue, which indicates it's on. Below it, you should see your Bell Wi-Fi name with the status connected. If the Wi-Fi toggle is gray, select it to turn it on, and below it, select your Bell Wi-Fi name and connect using the Wi-Fi password for your modem. Now, let's search for and install the Bell Fibe TV app. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps menu. Below it in the search bar, type Fibe. Then select the Bell Fibe TV app tile and click Install to proceed. Once complete, return to the home menu where you will find the app at the end of the Your Apps list. Now move it to the front of the list. Press it and hold Select until you can select Move. Now place it in the leftmost position and select to drop it in place. Back on the home screen, you now have the Bell Fibe TV app there waiting for you to enjoy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.